Hi, today I have two easy questions for you, and I encourage you to stop video here, read the questions, answers, choose your correct answer, and then you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So here is the first question. A man has blood type A, his wife has blood type B. Their children can have blood type, and here is the four answers that you may choose from. And in order to answer this question, let's consider what different genotypes may produce blood type A, that is blood type of the man. So here is a sign for the male, and blood type A can be produced by two genotypes, that is capital A, and capital A, O. And his wife has blood type B, so here is a sign for the female, and blood type B can be produced by two genotypes. One is capital B, and another one capital B, O. So these two genotypes here would equal to one phenotype A, and these two genotypes here would equal to one phenotype B. So what we can get if we cross, for example, this genotype capital A with capital B, and it is obvious that the only one variant of such cross would be capital B, as in answer A. And let's now consider what we can get if we cross capital A with capital BO, and it's also easy. We can get capital A B and capital A O. So we can have capital A B and capital A O. So A B and A genotypes. And the most different types of genotypes we can get if we cross capital AO with capital BO. Let's consider this cross. So here we would have male genotype, that is capital A O, and on this side female genotype, that is capital B O. So let's consider what the different genotypes and phenotypes we can get here. So here we may have capital A B, here we may have B O, and here A O, and O in this cell. So as you see, this would be AB genotype, this one would be B phenotype, and in this case also AB phenotype, because genotype here is equal to phenotype, and here genotype BO would equal to B phenotype. So here we would have blood type A, AO, because A dominant over the genotype O, or allele O, and here we would have genotype OO that is equal to phenotype O. So as you see, capital B and capital A are co-dominant alleles, and when both these alleles present, both of them would be expressed. So there is no dominant and recessive allele, both of them would be co-dominant. And when O allele present, O allele would be recessive to both A and B. So phenotype here would be B, and here would be A. And when both recessive alleles present, such phenotype would be O. So as you see, 4 different blood groups possible here, and that means that the correct answer would be D. Let's now move to the second question. Inheritance of the ABO blood groups is an example of an answer A incomplete dominance, and example of the incomplete dominance is when we have, for example, one plant with white flowers that we cross with another plant with red flowers, and intermediate heterozygous plant would be pink flower, so would be intermediate between white and red. So this is example of the incomplete dominance, and this is not what we have with ABO blood group system. As I already told, this is example of the codominance, but not incomplete dominance. This is different, so we have to cross out this answer. And answer B, linkage, we have when two genes are on the same chromosome, and with linkage we also can tell how far these two genes from each other, and this is also different. And answer D, sex linkage. Since sex linkage we have when pattern of inheritance would be sex dependent, and ABO blood group system doesn't depend on the gender of the progeny, so it's independently inherited, so we have to cross out this answer also. And answer E, all of the above, also wouldn't be correct answer, so we left with only one answer, that is C, and this is correct answer. ABO alleles represent multiply alleles. This is 3 different variants of the same gene, and different variants of the same gene we call alleles. So this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Goodbye.